Jai Jai Shri Ram. These days we find people are angry most of the time. There is a lot of free floating anger. People are always itching for a fight because they are frustrated. Their coping mechanisms are not working in their favor. They don't have any coping mechanism. They don't know how to deal with the frustrations that life is generating in them. Low frustration tolerance. Please be nice and put on a smile and say sweet words, because everyone is fighting a very tough battle and it doesn't cost anything. So if you can be smiling and say a few nice words, a compliment if possible, an honest one. Sometimes even an insincere compliment is okay, because that person will now begin to try to live up to that compliment. So that's called the Pygmalion effect in management. Okay. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha. All animals, including animals, forget humans. If you speak sweetly to an animal also, it will not probably understand the words, but it will understand the tone. Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha. Tasmat tadeva vaktavyam. Vachane ka daridrata. Look at that phrase, Vachane ka daridrata. Why be a miser when it comes to words? You can be liberal with sweet words. Be liberal. It's not going to cost you anything. Vachane ka daridrata. Please memorize that phrase. Vachane ka daridrata. Why be a miser? Why be so parsimonious when it comes to doling out sweet words, words of courtesy, politeness? Priyavakya pradhanena sarve tushyanti jantavaha. Tasmat tadeva vaktavyam vachane ka daridrata. Jai Shri Ram.